Hello good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl and a Sam, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be taking us through how to cook kuku kienyeji. For those of us who love kienyeji, this is my kienyeji. You can actually tell I got it from home. Yeah, so welcome so much. And I'll be using the following ingredients. I'll be using these onions. I'll be using this kitungu saumu. I'll be using this ginger. I'll be using pilipili, and I'll also be using pilipili hoho. I'll be using these tomatoes, this dania, and I'm eating my kuku with some greens. This is kienyeji, ugali, and some kienyeji. So welcome so much. And so the first step is to boil your kienyeji, and so I have boiled my water using this jug here, and I'll be using this cooker and this sufuria. Welcome so much, and follow with me as we cook this delicious meal. Let's get into it. So that is it. So I put some salt as it begins boiling. My chicken is boiling. Maybe I cook everything. I don't throw even the head. Should be somewhere. This one. I don't throw hair, my friend. Yeah, so it's boiling so well, and can't wait for it. Yes, I'm good. And by the way, kienyeji soup is very healthy. Yeah. Yeah, I'm done with preparing the ingredients. Yeah, that is it. I'm just done. There is my ginger and saumu. Yeah, we're about to start. Guys, this is my boiled chicken. I want to start frying it. It's nice, it's soft. It's very soft. It's soft. So let's proceed as I now fry it. That all is enough. So now I add my onions. So I add my onions. So you have to fry them until they turn the color into golden brown. So this is my pilipili. That's my pilipili. Okay, so my next is the kitungu saumu and the ginger. Yeah. This one makes the food to have a very good aroma. I have to. So guys, as my onions continue boiling, I now put my chicken. I told you I cook everything, including this one. Everything and ronkas I cook. And now I can now add my dania. Then I give it some time. That's how my chicken is eating up. As you can see, it's really catching up well. Then I have some soup here. Yeah, so I just add it to ensure it's not that dry. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, that's my kuku, and here my kienyeji is also eating up. So guys, that's it. This is my final chicken. I hope you like the recipe. And yeah, it's really, see, it's really nice. It's very soft. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe. Soon and soon I'll be bringing more cooking tips. Okay, please subscribe. This is it.